If tan A is equal to 1 and sin B is equal to 1 by root 2, find the value of cos A plus B, where A and B are both acute angles. Given tan A is equal to 1, tan A is equal to tan 45 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees. Sin B is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin B is equal to sin 45 degrees. B is equal to 45 degrees. Here A is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 45 degrees, that is less than 90 degrees. Both A and B are acute angles. Cos A plus B is equal to cos 45 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Prove that cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2. LHS is equal to cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos cube theta plus sin cube theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to, here cos theta plus sin theta cancel, cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta plus here cos theta minus sin theta cancel, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta into sin theta is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta cancel, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, that is plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.